So another one of the brassicas, really similar looking to red cabbage. It grows, it's a darker leaf actually. You'll notice it grows, it's sort of darker. And I didn't water this one because it was one of the ones that I had watered earlier that was very, it's had a lot of water before, so depending how much I put on the spoon, it's just a good even coverage. Because again, sometimes when you plant them too sparse, that can cause problems with them growing. With density, not so much. They're all vying for, they probably will need more water because it's vying for when you water them. And sometimes they can clump together, but you can look, I've posted things in the group about that, and again how you can solve that, but it's usually not a big issue.